Hello, and welcome to the English Learning Podcast. I'm really happy you are here today. This podcast is for you if you understand English. But when it's time to speak, your mind goes blank. Maybe you translate in your head. Maybe you think too much about grammar. Maybe your words feel slow and unnatural. Don't worry. This is very normal. Today, we will train your brain to speak English naturally, without fear. Not fast English. Not difficult English. But real, simple, everyday English. Take a deep breath. Relax your shoulders. And let's begin. When you learned your first language, you did not study grammar books. You listened. You copied. You repeated. Your brain learned patterns. English fluency works the same way. To speak naturally, your brain needs practice with sound, rhythm, and repetition, not memorization. First, let's talk about a very common mistake. Many learners think like this. I must think in my language, translate, then speak. This makes your English slow and stressful. Instead, we will train your brain to respond automatically. Like this. I say. How are you? You don't think. You just answer. I'm good. I'm okay. Not bad. That is natural English. Now, let's practice together. Listen first. Then repeat after me. I'm getting ready for work. I'm getting ready for work. I'm running late today. I'm running late today. I'll call you later. I'll call you later. Good. Don't rush. Speak slowly and clearly. Now, let's use connected speech. Native speakers don't speak word by word. They connect words. Listen carefully. Going to becomes gonna. Listen. I'm gonna eat now. I'm gonna eat now. Again. I'm gonna eat now. Very good. Now, short daily responses. Repeat after me. That sounds good. That sounds good. I don't think so. I don't think so. Let me check. Let me check. These small sentences make your English sound confident and natural. Here is a powerful tip. Talk to yourself, out loud. When you wake up, say. Today is going to be a good day. When you cook, say. I'm making dinner. When you walk, say. I'm heading home. Your brain learns English when you use it, not when you only study it. Now, let's do a short mini story. Listen. Today, I woke up early. I checked my phone. I made some tea. Then I sat down and started my work. Nothing special. Just real life. Now, you try to tell this story in your own words. Slowly. No pressure. Remember this. You do not need perfect English. You need clear English. You do not need big words. You need useful words. Fluency comes from daily small practice, not one long study session. Before we finish, let's repeat together one last time. I can speak English. I can speak English. I'm learning every day. I'm learning every day. I'm getting better. I'm getting better. Yes, you are. Thank you for listening to the English Learning Podcast. Keep practicing. Keep listening. And I'll see you in the next episode.